Have you ever imagined a world where artificial intelligence can think, reason, and interact just like a human? What if I told you that world is closer than you think? Introducing Strawberry, OpenAI's pinnacle of human-like intelligence. This groundbreaking AI model isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap into the future of technology and human interaction. But what makes Strawberry so revolutionary? How does it compare to the AI we've known until now? Stay with us as we dive deep into the marvels of Strawberry and unravel the secrets behind its unparalleled capabilities. We will be exploration of Strawberry, the latest and most advanced creation from OpenAI. In this video, we're going to answer the burning questions on everyone's mind and reveal why Strawberry is a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand, reasons, and adapts in ways we've only dreamed of until now. Strawberry is the culmination of years of research and development, pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. Finally, we'll look ahead at the incredible possibilities that Strawberry opens up, unique features, transforming industries to enhancing our daily lives. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Strawberry is not just the pinnacle of human-like intelligence, but a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. OpenAI is apparently working on some new and exciting technology. According to an inside source and some internal documents obtained by Reuters, OpenAI has a project codenamed Strawberry that's aiming to take their AI models to the next level. So what is Strawberry? Well, from what I can gather, it's a novel approach to how OpenAI's AI models work, and it's focused on enhancing their reasoning capabilities. You see, one of the biggest challenges in AI right now is getting these models to not just spit out information, but to actually understand and reason about the world like humans do. Current AI models, as impressive as they are, still struggle with things that seem like common sense to us, like recognizing logical fallacies or playing simple games like tic-tac-toe. They often hallucinate or make up information when faced with these kinds of problems. But from what I can tell, Strawberry involves a specialized way of processing the AI models after they've been trained on massive datasets. Essentially, they want their AI to be able to reason and think more like humans do, which is no easy feat. We're talking about replicating the kind of intuitive, common-sense reasoning that comes so naturally to us, but is incredibly difficult to encode into an AI system. Now, this is a big deal because improved reasoning is seen as the key to unlocking the true potential of AI. With better reasoning capabilities, AI could potentially make major scientific discoveries, plan and build new software applications, and who knows what else. The possibilities are kind of mind-boggling, to be honest. Imagine an AI that can not only process and analyze data, but also use that data to formulate hypotheses, test them out, and draw logical conclusions. That's the kind of thing we're talking about here. According to the sources and documents, OpenAI is specifically aiming for Strawberry to enable their AI models to perform what they call deep research. This means the models would be able to autonomously browse the internet, gather information, and use that information to conduct research and solve problems all on their own. They wouldn't need human guidance or intervention. They'd be able to essentially teach themselves and explore new areas of knowledge, kind of like how a human researcher would approach a new topic. They're even planning to test Strawberry's capabilities by having it do the work of software and machine learning engineers. And if Strawberry is successful, we might see AI systems that can not only crunch data and spit out code, but actually design and implement entire software applications from start to finish without any human involvement. I should also mention that tech giants like Google, Meta, and Microsoft are also experimenting with different techniques to tackle this challenge, but Strawberry seems to be OpenAI's big bet in this area, like their main focus when it comes to advancing AI reasoning. Now, this AI has some similarities to a method developed at Stanford called Self-Taught Reasoner, or STAR. This method is supposed to enable AI models to bootstrap themselves into higher intelligence levels by creating their own training data. Basically, the idea is that the model can learn and improve itself without needing humans to constantly feed it new data. One of the creators at Stanford said that if things keep going in that direction, we as humans have some serious things to think about. Like if AI systems can continually enhance their own reasoning abilities, who knows how advanced they could become. It's both exciting and a little bit scary to think about, if I'm being honest. Now, OpenAI has been privately signaling to developers and other outside parties that they're on the cusp of releasing technology with significantly more advanced reasoning capabilities, which is likely referring to Strawberry. So we might be seeing something big from them pretty soon. Another source even said that OpenAI has tested AI internally that scored over 90% on a math dataset, which is like a benchmark of championship math problems. Crazy stuff, right? Now I know what you're probably thinking. If Strawberry is so groundbreaking, why haven't we heard more about it? Well, that's a great question, and the truth is, OpenAI is playing their cards pretty close to the chest on this one. A startup named Etch, founded by two Harvard dropouts, has introduced a new AI chip called SOU. They claim this chip can run models like ChatGPT up to 20 times faster than NVIDIA's top H100 chip and 10 times faster than the more powerful B200. If true, this could drastically improve AI performance and capabilities. Meanwhile, Edge is shaking things up with a new chip that could make AI to run way faster than ever before, challenging big names like NVIDIA. Strawberry enhances precision farming, allowing for more accurate monitoring of crop health, soil conditions, and pest activity. This technology enables farmers to make data-driven decisions, optimizing resource usage and increasing yield quality and quantity. Furthermore, it can predict market trends and consumer preferences. And there you have the incredible world of Strawberry, OpenAI's pinnacle of human-like intelligence. We've only scratched the surface of what this groundbreaking AI can do, but it's clear that Strawberry is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. From its human-like reasoning to its potential applications, the possibilities are truly endless. If you're as excited about the future of AI as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also click on other videos from our channel. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about Strawberry. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing content on the future of artificial intelligence.